Good morning. This is the 74 Norton that I'd done some work on. And the side stand had been broken off this bike probably at some point in the past in a crash. And the side stand mount had been bent up. The actual frame twisted and the mount was way up here so that the side stand was sticking out straight, right about out here somewhere. So my machinist and I got clever, and he built this adapter right here that bolts onto the existing bent mount, comes out, goes down at a slight angle. I'm going to say, I don't know what, 30 degrees or so. Anyway, puts the side stand back down here beautifully. He did a beautiful job of machining it to fit around the frame so it won't turn, bending it and welding it for the right angle, this really heavy material, shaping it so that we have this angle right now, and I think that's just fine as far as an angle. It's going to wear just a little bit as it gets used, so it'll come forward a little bit more, but I'm going to leave it here for the time being and let the client try it and see how he likes it. It may go forward another inch or two. What we don't want is an accidental retract. So I'm going to leave it there. It comes back, nestles up underneath of the bike very nicely to the point where we really don't need the rubber stopper anymore. Interestingly, I took mine off my bike years ago when I modified the hinge to stop the side stand underneath the bike because I've always thought these were ugly. I'm going to leave it on here until the client decides that, yay, verily, he likes what we've done. And then we can just cut it off, file it off, and touch up the paint. So anyway, it looks really good. Good exposure, so it should be easy to put out by the rider. And good swing action, you can see that. Good angle. I'm going to put the bike on a flat floor now and check the parking angle, and I'll take another video when I get it out there. Well, there it is on the side stand. I think it's got a great stance. I like the angle. It does not seem too vertical for me. Slightly to the left. I think it's great. So I'll put this on the tripod and show you the side stand action, just so that you get a chance to see it. All right, there she sits. I'm going to show you the action of the side stand. Ta-da! My hands will never leave my wrists. Chunk! Chunk! You can't beat that with a stick. Okay, now I'm going to tell the client to use it carefully. Test it every now and then. I don't want to hear any snapping noises. I've left it at a slight straight angle. It's going to wear into its seat just a little bit to give us a little bit more forward, a little bit more back. There's not much I can do other than that. I'm going to stand here and shake the bike a little, which is scary, by the way. You know, I trust it, 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 I trust it. It seems fine, it seems fine, it seems fine. I'm going to tell the client to carefully test it until he's confident that it's 100% trustable. Never sit on the bike with the side stand down. Of course, you never do that with a stock side stand. You don't want your weight on the bike on the side stand. So, I'm going to call her done. And there's a couple of other things he wants me to do while the bike is here. I will do those and then let her go. So, not bad. I mean, it really looks good.